Striking factory workers at a Bay Area sugar giant are sounding the alarm big time about the way the product is being stored during the labor dispute. So workers, they walked off the job at the C&H Sugar factory in Crockett nearly a month ago. Well, now the company has been offloading raw sugar at a new location in Richmond, and Brad Hamilton reports it's raising some concerns about the potential health impact.
It's not right and it might not be safe. That's the message that we heard from C&H workers here at the Richmond Terminal, who say their biggest concern is the sugar that's being dumped at their site right now has no business being here. It's been over a month since the warehouse workers at the C&H Sugar plant in Crockett went on strike. And now, with operations disrupted by a labor dispute, C&H has diverted raw sugar arriving by ship to be offloaded at the Levin Terminal in Richmond instead. Our chopper flew over the terminal, where you can see piles of raw sugar stored there with barriers put up around them. The shift is drawing concerns from men and women that work here. Michael Villagianti is president of the International Longshore and Warehouse Union Local 10. They represent workers who declined to unload the sugar in Crockett in solidarity with the striking workers. He says this isn't a facility that's ever handled sugar before.
He said, well, we do bulk cargo. I said, when have you ever done sugar here? Never. They have never done sugar here. So that is just something because they, trying to make money, and this is all about money.
He also says it's not just about the lack of experience, it's about the condition of the terminal and what usually sits here.
Coal. Coal was there on the ground, scrap metal is there on the ground, you name it, it's been worked there. Cement, and they're using the same conveyor belts to move the product.
The labor groups have raised concerns about uncovered coal at the terminal and whether wind carrying dust could potentially contaminate the sugar. Manny Larea is a belt foreman at the Crockett site. He says their facility is specifically built for these shipments.
It gets dumped here. It gets put straight from the ship with a crane onto our conveyor belts with food grade, oils and silicone and anything it needs, straight into our conveyor belts, straight into our silos, and then straight for processing once we need it.
However, a C&H spokesperson pushed back, saying it's common practice to handle raw sugar at bulk terminals similar to how it's being handled at the Levin Terminal. In a statement, they said, quote, "In terms of quality, there is no difference in using this terminal or using the refineries. Raw sugar is not food grade until it moves through a sugar refinery. Once it has been processed in our refinery, we assure the quality of the finished sugar." But back in Richmond, the crew that handles what goes in and out of this terminal is not buying that.
To try to unload it in this ungodly place to put any kind of food products you want to talk. They say it's not food products yet because it's not refined. Well, I wouldn't put nobody's food on the ground.
C&H maintains that there is no issues with the way they are handling this sugar at the moment. And as for negotiations, well, in talking to workers today, this entire situation is not helping the matter.
Contra Costa County Supervisor John Joya tells us an inspector with the Bay Area Air District was sent to the terminal to see if there are any issues with the sugar offloading and if it's being impacted by the open piles of coal. He says he's not gotten a final report. The county health department has also reached out to state and federal health officials who have jurisdiction over the site. So as for the strike, the union workers have said they're pushing for fair wages and benefits, safe working conditions, and job security. C&H said its contract offered a 20% wage increase, and it is open to constructive dialogue.